the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Cabinet Ministers and Members of Parliament, the Commanding Chief of this magnificent vessel that we are in tonight, Your Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, senior officials, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Nisambula Vinaka and bonsoir. It is with great honor this evening that we join the delegation of the European Union to the Pacific and, of course, the Embassy of France in celebrating Europe Day. Fiji celebrates alongside our friends in the European Union this very special day 73 years ago, marking the anniversary of the historic Schuman Declaration and the values of peace and cooperation among states in Europe. Today, the European Union is a reliable partner that is leading international efforts on global challenges such as the climate crisis, supporting the pandemic response, and upholding rules-based international order. Fiji is proud of its long-standing relations with the European Union. Our close cooperation in addressing global, regional, and national issues provides a firm foundation for a long future of peaceful cooperation. Excellencies and distinguished guests, on behalf of His Excellency the President, who would have landed in Nadi at this hour returning from the coronation, the Honorable Prime Minister, the Government of Fiji, and all Fijians, it is my distinct honor in extending to the European Union and its peoples our sincere appreciation and well wishes for its continued success. Before I ask that we propose a toast, I will now invite the Republic of Fiji Military Forces and that we remain upstanding for the national anthem of the European Union. To please charge your glasses as I propose a toast to the strong ties between the European Union and the Republic of Fiji, and in celebration of its 73rd anniversary celebration to the European Union. Enjoy your night and have a good evening, everyone. Vinaka Bakalevu.